Ismail Fadina Suhabinti Shamas, and my matrix number is 278-062. Okay, so for the flow diagram of the requirement, here we have the flow of the user, which are cafe admin, system admin, and the regular user. Okay, so when all of the three users send message to the campus bot, and then the Telegram bot will send the command to the server Telegram. Here we having the server Telegram will process the command and to the Telegram bot of the food search system. And here it will exchange the input or delete and view or selecting data within the SQLite database. And here it will retrieve the data back to the server Telegram. And here for the campus bytes bot receive response from the server Telegram, and then will back to the tree admin receive message to the cafe admin, system admin, and the regular users. So this is how the flow diagram of the requirements. I will explain about the cafe admin. So here I will click the start command, and then it will display the command, the others. Okay, so I will click the command of cafe admin, and here we have register cafe admin and log in as cafe admin. Here I want to show for the command of register. Here I will click the register command, and then please enter your email address. I will enter my email address for the registration, and then for the name I will enter my name. Here we have the office, so okay, this is my office telephone number. And then for my telephone number, this is my telephone number. And for the cafe name, I will having Meow Cafe, because my cafe is Meow Cafe, name Meow Cafe. And then we are having the Inasi's name. For example, I want to have Mas Inasi's name, and then please enter the location link of your cafe. In this situation, I will provide the link of the location of my cafe. Okay, and the opening time of my cafe is at 9 a.m. and then for the closing time of my cafe, 9 p.m. Okay, for the holiday status, which days close, I will put here Tuesday. Okay, so for the registration already success, and the details have been recorded in the database of cafe admin register. So here we will continue with already register. Okay, so please enter your email address, and here we'll note that email need to be approved by system admin first. Okay, so we will enter the register email. Okay, for me suha11@gmail.com, and then it will display the message here. Okay, so I want to add food. Okay, so for the food, this is the food type, example Western. Okay, for example, I want to having the food type of Malay, nasi lemak ayam for the food name, and then enter food price, which is 6 ringgit. Okay, so for the image, I will need to put the email URL. Okay, so the image for the nasi lemak here, I put the URL, and then enter food status available. Please enter your cafe name. So my cafe name Meow Cafe. enter the location of your cafe. Okay, so this is my location link. Okay, so now the food details successfully added into the database of my email. Okay, and that's all for the already registered that had approved by system admin, and then adding the food details.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Wardina Shadiah binti Ahmad Ridwan, metric number 280769. So I will show you the command for update, delete, and send status in Cafe admin. First, when user type in update, the bot will ask for cafe name. Here I entered Dina Cafe, which are available in database, and the bot will display what food are available in the particular cafe that the user has input. For example, in here there are one type of food, which is chicken chop, and the bot will ask what food ID you want to update. So I type in 4, which is the food ID for chicken chop, and the bot will ask what field do you want to update. For example, food type, food name, and food price. So when I select one, which is food type, they will ask the updated food type that the user want to change. So I changed the chicken chop to Western, and the food information will be updated in the database. And then I will straight away go to the delete command. When user type in delete command, the bot will ask for cafe name. So I show the same cafe, which is Dina Cafe, and here are the food details. So when user type in 4, the food will be successfully deleted and the food will removed from the database. And the last one is send status. So for the send status, the cafe admin will enter what kind of promotion they want to give to the cafe tomorrow. So when the message, for example, here is 20% off on selected beverage. So when this message is sent, the bot will send this message daily at 8 a.m. according to the message from Cafe admin. I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rayhan Harith with metric number 274808. So today I will present about our Telegram bot called Campus Bytes bot. I will start run the program now. Okay, now the program is running. Okay, now I click start, and then the bot will be send the welcome message. Welcome to Campus Bytes bot. Please select an option below to continue. So here I will explain about the system admin. Okay, now I will choose the system admin. So after the user choose the system admin command, and then there's a password. The password is admin1234. So if the user input the invalid password, it will be asked the correct password again. So I will input the correct password, admin1234. So after the user already input the correct password, the bot will display the welcome message as a system admin, and the system admin have the access to view cafe information. So the view cafe admin information is for the profile cafe admin. That is the approved cafe admin from the system admin. And then also delete, the system admin can delete the cafe admin, and then after that is approve cafe admin. Okay, now I will click the view cafe admin info. So it will be the bot will be display the approved cafe admin approved list. There is 2 data in the approved list, which are John Doe and then Johnny in my database. Okay, cafe admin approve. Okay, John Doe and Johnny. Alright, and then if the system admin click the delete cafe admin after view the list, now I will try to delete the Johnny with the email is admin3@example.com. So after the user click delete cafe admin or the system admin click the delete cafe admin, so the bot will prompt the to us the system admin, please enter the email of the cafe admin to delete. Okay, now I will copy it and then paste here. Okay, now after that the user the bot will ask again, are you sure you want to delete the cafe admin with email address? Okay, I will delete now. I will type yes, and then cafe admin with email address has been successfully deleted, and then there is a message deleted one row for email. Okay, now I will refresh the table, and then the admin3@example.com will be displayed in the table. Okay, now I will approve cafe admin. Okay, there is cafe admin registration list. So there is Jane Smith here. We see here. Okay, Jane Smith. There is only Jane Smith. Okay, now the bot will ask the system admin, please enter the email address of the cafe admin you want to approve. Okay, now I will try to approve this Jane Smith in. So he will become the cafe admin. Okay, now I will enter this, and then after success, the bot will display the cafe admin with email address admin2@example.com has been successfully approved. Okay, now I will refresh the cafe admin register, so it will be transferred into the cafe admin approved table. Okay, now we can see the Jasmine here after the approval. Okay, I think that's all for me from the system admin part, so I will pass to the next presenter.
My name is Belkis binti Sukra. My metric number is 279865.
My name is Nafika binti Muhammad Amir, and my metric number is 278415.
We will present about the regular user command. Okay, now we will proceed for regular user. For regular user, it will appear hello user. Please choose an option using the command. So we will start with view food price. Please enter cafe name, for example Pico Cafe. It will show the food price and the name of price in Pico Cafe. Next, we will go for compare food price. Enter compare food price. For example, I choose spaghetti. Then it will show the food price for spaghetti, which is in Kish Cafe is 13 ringgit and Pico Cafe is 10 ringgit.
Next one is for leave feedback. For example, if user want to leave feedback for specific food at the cafe, they just need to select the comment for leave feedback, and then first they need to enter the food name. For example, I want to give feedback for nasi goreng, and then they need to enter the cafe name, Pico Cafe, and enter the comment. And the last one is enter the rating. The rating is must from 1 until 5 only. And the message, thank you for your comment and rating. Your feedback has been recorded, and the feedback will appear in the database. And the last function for regular user is to view cafe list and the location. This is the cafe that has been registered here. That's all from me and Bakis. Thank you.